Okay, survival.
Shadow Fight 2.
I've got some damage. I actually want to know.
Yeah, that actually worked, guys. But still, it does something. Yo, look at that. Like, I really should always help from then. Oh, he still got me!
We're gonna play.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ah! That was so close. That sounded a bit wrong. Go on now, straight away. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna get away! Get away! Hey, you idiot! Haha. Well, you dodged it. Dodge! Oh my god. Well, that wasn't a dodge, but still. It was a kill! That wasn't a kill. It was a kill! Okay, that was better. Really easy with nothing nice, but sometimes it really doesn't help. I mean, it doesn't help, it really gets me in a bad situation. Ow, god dash. Hiya! Ow, you're gonna pay for that. You know why? Because you're dead. Oh, crash. Ow.
Well, I did. Into your eye.
Ah! I was trying to face card. Stick. My old. I love that stick. But now I've betrayed it. But I don't care. I will kill my stick. Well, that doesn't make any sense. This is Shadow Fight. If you don't know what it is, then go check it out on the games. It's called Shadow Fight 2. I don't know if you can get Shadow Fight 1. I've actually never tried out Shadow Fight 1. Maybe I should try it out. You guys should try it out as well. I don't know, like, if you can get it though. Oh my gosh! Oh, that was a head hit. Headshot. Nope. Nope. This is so fun. This is so fun. Oh my god, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die today. No. No, 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 no. God damn it. Well, anyway, 1,000 people. You know, guys, if this goes off, I'm so sorry. If it does, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Only if it runs out. Anyway, see you next video. Oh my god. Yeah. Boom. No adverts today. Oh. Well, that's like impossible. Jesus Christ. Normal. But this is gonna be easy then. When it's normal, it's easy. Oh, Mount Vesuvius! No, it's just a mountain. It's just a normal mountain. Whoa! That sent me flying! It's really easy. I was right near him and he didn't do anything about it. Crash! Oh my god. I think you're playing against these guys in survival. You would be probably dead. No. No! He's so good! Like, you said this was I didn't get it! No! I'm not gonna get it! Yo. That saved me. Oh, he just dodged it by doing a bloody backflip. And he still killed me. Guys, thank you for this video. I'm joking. He's still like, yes. Oh, just got him. Like, those things don't do anything really now. Yeah. 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 Oh. Nope. What the? That was a bad idea. You're not doing it to me though. Well, you are kicking me in the head though. Idiot. Guys, all I can say, if this video like should end by by an ad, then yeah. Thank you.
I don't get one. Like that was easy. Well, I don't get it. I just get it. I'm a dumper. What? I'm a dumper. I'm a sheep. Yes, why did I roll back? Ow, I'm dead.
Yep, I lose, guys. If that's the first time you see me lose, then what have you done with your life? Oh, crash. I only have one more. Oh my god. I'm gonna still spend it though. But how am I losing against this stupid guy? Let's see. Like, what? Like, these are physics. Like, I don't know why this isn't working. By the way, yesterday, I saw the new Transformers. Comment down below if you have actually saw that.
It's so good. Oh my.
No, that did 2 criticals at the same time. Yeah, well, I've obviously won him. Okay. Gosh. Yo, I think I actually might be doing another YouTube video as well. A video, I mean, of Roblox. I'll be doing it with my pal Harry. He can't talk though, but he can like talk. Well, he obviously can talk, but only not like on the actual camera. That was easier, simply. But I wasn't even concentrating. Like, I was just talking to you guys. Oh my gosh, there's like been no things. Oh look, it worked. I got one more. Then I'm going to upgrade after this, and then it will be video, I think. I know it's going to be a short video, but it's still a video. Oh my gosh, I actually did that. How did I survive it?
How did I survive it? You are not my dad. You are not my dad.
Nope.
What are you doing? You're so weird. Ow. Actually, no, I am. I'm talking. I got nothing. Easy, easy. Lemon. It's easy.
This is really easy.
Stop
showing off.
No! Yeah, that is a lot of damage. Oh, right.
Nope. It's hasn't done. Oh, I'm so addicted to those things. What am I doing? Uh-oh. Ow. I remember when I used to have that weapon. Oh my god! Right timing as well. I never time stuff. Well, sometimes I do anything like that, but he blocks it instead. But sometimes like that when I don't. Still won. Thank you for this video. If it ends, I'm so sorry, but thank you for this video if it does. And thank you for watching this video if it does. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Please subscribe and leave a like. Even if it doesn't like, please just subscribe and like. Just like it. No, mostly subscribe. Yo, this is working. Yeah, I'm not going for that. No. What? Easy? Oh, yeah. It wouldn't really be, like, it wouldn't really be bad if it ended, because it's the end of the video. 7-6. Well, first, I haven't even bought this. No. Yes. Oh, I actually have one. I'm actually going to upgrade this straight away. Upgrade. 2,700. Anyway. Wait, do I have anything to achieve? No. Okay, guys. I hope you liked this video. I'm going to get off now. Might do a Roblox video now. I might do it now. I don't know. Like, I don't know if Harry's gonna be on, but if he is, like, yeah, I'll be doing it right now. But first, I'm actually gonna have to upload this. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Just please. I've already lost 2 subscribers. Please. Actually, wait. Yeah, I've lost 2 subscribers. Please. Subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. And yeah, bye bye.